So 20 years ago, I put a sales system in a book. And since then, thousands of sales professionals have used it to crush their numbers, dominate the competition, and just not be average. And so I didn't stop there. In fact, over the last 2 decades, my company, Precise Selling, has worked with more than 1,200 organizations. We built out our own global SDR team that makes thousands of prospecting calls each week. And I've spent 20 more years in the room when it matters, real deals with real resistance. So, of course, the system had to evolve because we evolve. So I rebuilt it into the book, Precise Selling. Now, this isn't a second edition. It's not a refresh. It's a completely rebuilt system from the first cold call all the way to that final commitment. So if you're an SDR and you need more meetings, it's in this book. If you lead a sales team and you're tired of hoping your reps just figure it out, it's in this book. This is 20 years of doing the work, but it's distilled into one playbook you can actually run. And it's live today on print, Kindle. Next week, we'll have audiobook. So the link's in the comments. And if you're serious about raising your standard, go take a look.